Today, I'm gonna make this. Oh, no. Okay. First, let's open the box. It's Lego. Can you see my face? Good. Can't get my face out of the camera, can I? Can I? This camera's not good. It makes me look that way. Okay, let's open this. Why? Why would you be opening? Why didn't I think this before? You're stupid. Don't forget everything else in this little tiny hole. Here's the packet. Here's the motorbike thing. Yep, the motorbike. There's the motorbike. Ooh, nice red one. What else? What do we have? And of course we got the instruction booklet. Shall we call it? I will call it the enchanted book. Let's just open this up. Okay. Let's do it. So, obviously, first thing, I'm going to open this bucket. Look, it comes with fire. Let's get back to business. Okay. Let's look in the instructions. First of all, we're going to make the gun. So we're going to need the feet and his body. Let's just stick this together. There we go. Look at that. Okay. There is the guy so far. Look at this mustache. Stop. Dun, 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 dun. Does he even have a mustache? Yeah, it does. It's little. You see his mustache? Right. The bottom's his mouth, the top's his mustache. And we got a helmet bit. Let's just place it off the dude. Now let's put this glass part. What do you call it? This part. You know what that is. Okay. I'm recording a video, okay? Okay. Stick the fire sticker. That's fire. There we go. Yeah, fire sticker. Second page. Let's get this thing. Yep. You know what it is. Okay, I'm not going to tell you how to do it. And then get two of these and stick it to the sides. So it'll look like this. Dun, 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 dun. Next, we're going to get the wheels and put them inside the tires. This is quite easy to put in, actually. Normally it's quite hard. Still, stick them on then to these tiny little edge parts here. You just need to stick it on like that. Like so. So. This is it. Will you look at it? Open. Great. Here we go, the hard part. It's always hard when I'm doing these. I don't know why. It's just quite easy. Because I know more Lego than anyone. Do you want to know how much Lego I get? Okay. Look. You see over there? No, you can't really see it. That, I'm going to show you right now. Oof. This is a path. This is my Legos. You see that? Don't look at hers. My Legos. Inside this box, that, this yellow one, there's a ton. You see? That's full of Lego. Yeah, wait. Okay, let's just get back to building, shall we? Oh, we had a little, clippy moment. Let's get back to it. And I did this a few moments ago. Okay. We got him done in this episode. Him done in this episode. Wait, yeah, we're just gonna finish this off in this episode. Where are all the stickers? All the stickers supposed to... I'm still in the box. Why didn't any of you guys tell me? Oh, there it is. I didn't recognize. Get the stickers. Dogs, could you stop? Okay. Fine by me. Because you're the one that's going to get a kick in the head.
Oh, Tony's posting you. Get your bread pies.
Paris, bed. Paris, bed.
Get your bread pies.
Bed, Paris, bed.
Get your bread. Get your bread.
It was in a video. Guys, that was a bit of a weird moment.
Yeah, it's through the chimney.
Wait. There. That's where you're supposed to put it. Yep. Even shows. Put it right. If you users have one of these, I don't know. Good luck for you. It comes with an ordinary awesome bin. Okay, that was my sister. Let's get back to building, shall we? And I'll see you back in a moment. Yay! Hello, and we're back with this. Dun, 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 dun. Guys, next episode we'll be showing the bin. This is as if you just please subscribe and like, and don't forget to leave a comment. Okay, and I'll be seeing you next next time. Goodbye.